Hello, today I'm making my fantastic roast chicken with a secret formula. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. I have 5 chicken legs, skin on, bone in. Before we put this in the oven, we're gonna boil it. I have cold water and now I'm gonna put the chicken in. Now we're gonna add some magic. 2 pieces of ginger, a whole lemon, and some turmeric, 2 star anise, black peppercorns, and pink salt. I'm using pink salt. You can use the normal salt if you want. Bring to the boil and cook for 6 minutes. Now we have some lovely flavor in our chicken, and now we're gonna take it out. I've taken the chicken out and I've put it on a roasting tin. 50 ml of olive oil. Black pepper. Two cups of onion and 2 cups of tomato. Now I will spread the tomato and the onion. Really hot oven, 12 to 15 minutes. And there we have my lovely, fantastic chicken. Lots of love!
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.